Frankie's Garage.
Hi, it's Frankie from Frankie's Garage, and I'm here to show you how to remove grease stains. So everyone's had stains on their shirts before, whether it be in the garage from grease stains or just in the kitchen with food stains. So I thought today would be a good idea to make a video on 2 different methods that I've heard about for removing stains. So here we go. So first I'm going to be using the Phil's Naphtha stain bar, and I'm going to be doing it on these 3 stains right here. They're pretty small, kind of hard to see, but we'll see if it works. So you can do this in the sink, but I'm on a table, so I'm going to be using a spray bottle, and I'm just going to drench where the stains are. And next, what you're going to want to do is take the bar and just rub it on where the stains are. And I'm just going to put these things down real quick. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rub it together so it gets inside the fabric. So the second thing I'm going to be using is called Zep Heavy Duty Citrus Cleaner, and this is kind of like a degreaser, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. You can also get this in a gallon form if you wanted to. And I'm going to be using this on that stain and that stain. And you're going to want to saturate it. Just all around the area of the stain. So now I'm going to rub it together just like I did with the bar. Now we leave it for 15 minutes. So the 15 minutes is up, so now it's time to put it into the washer. It looks like they both did a really good job. The stain bar, I think, worked a little bit better, but it might have been my mistake too. I might have not rubbed the fabric together enough with the Zep, but I think all in all, they both work really well. I think if you were to use either one, just make sure to agitate the whole area so you don't miss any spots by accident. But I think that they're both really good for removing grease stains. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any ideas for future videos or questions, make sure to leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you guys later. See you next time. Bye!
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow my progress on my Facebook page called Frankie's Garage.